By default, in order to open the power menu, we need to press the power button and volume up button at the same time. If you press both buttons at the same time, you will open this power menu, and then you can move this white circle up towards the power off option in order to shut down the phone, or towards the reboot option in order to restart your device. If you want to use the power button in order to activate this menu, you can just go to settings, scroll all the way down and go to additional settings. Then over here, we're going to go to gesture shortcuts, and you can go to power off, where we can decide if you want to use the power button and volume up shortcut, or if you just want to press and hold the power button. If the digital assistant over here, this option is disabled, then you can just hold the power button for half a second. However, if the digital assistant is used and it is assigned to the power button, then you have to hold for 3 seconds instead. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.